Hi there everyone, welcome to another Aftereffects tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a real-time animated number counter animation in After Effects. As a bonus tip, I'll be sharing with you how to save this work as a preset so that you don't have to type in the code over and over again while doing another project or working on something else coming up. All I need you to do is bring in the type tool, type in something like 1 million, 1 million. Then I need you to ensure that the anchor point is at the far right. So how to achieve that, you'll use this anchor point tool and you can drag it to whichever position you like, but it should be here at the far right. Then I need you to ensure that this text that you have typed in is on the right side, is aligned on the right paragraph. So after that, I need you to maybe you can move it to the right. And I need you to bring in the effects. So go to effects, search for the point control this one. So bring it into the text. I need you to open up this, go to the text, the source text, and alt click it. Once you do that, you'll have something like this on the screen. Then I need you to copy this code provided in the description below. Copy that code and paste it here. Control V. There you go. So this 960 is the one in the point control, the first one. So whenever you alter with this, the code on the screen changes. So with that done, I need you to move to the effects, still on the text, on the effects point control, drop down that and move on the first frame, put a keyframe there, make it 0, then move to the far end and set it at maybe 2 million. 2 million. So maybe something like 2 million subscribers. So when you play this, you'll have something like this. Okay. So if you want to add the subscriber thing on this text, all you need to do is move your cursor here in between this, then just put a plus sign and the opening speech marks. Then type in subscribers. So it reads 107,383 subscribers. So if you want to space in between these two statements, just put your cursor here and space. So you have something like that, professional. So when you play this, the count keeps on increasing and you will have achieved what you are looking for. So before we continue to the percentages, decimals, currency statements, and all other stuff, and also the bonus that I promised you, So you just need to post that. So just like on this video and comment on whichever question you have about the number count animation before we proceed to the next. So at this particular stage, what I need you to do is drag this image over here, whichever image you have, then let's scale it down to something like 42. Then I need you to go to your your text drop down, then on the expression I need you to remove this round so that you can add in remove these ones. You want to put in the decimals and the percentage and the statements. So after that you'll find something like this. With that done, move your cursor over here, then type this full stop to fixed capital F, this one, then in between here type 2, then you'll have in something like this into 2 decimal places. Then let's add the percentage sign, click on the expression, move your cursor here, put in the plus sign, then open and close brackets, open and close brackets, then key in the percentage symbol, so you'll have 20.60%, and with that when you play this you'll have something like this. So it moves from 0 to 98.99%. With that done, so grab this, place it at this point, the drop down, then go to the expression, and over here after the percentage add another plus sign, then open and close brackets, then type in something like CDT 11. So it reads 20.60% acidity level. So let's paste this percentage and the acidity. Just place your cursor over here for the percentage and press the backspace button on your laptop or computer. Then for acidity do the same, put your cursor over here and backspace, not backspace actually, sorry, space bar. Then you'll have something like that with enough space. So maybe this one we can reduce it to, so when you play this you have something like this. Then with that done, I'll show you how to add the dollar sign. So for that, let's delete this. Let's delete that. So with these quotation marks here, in between them just key in the currency that you want, maybe dollars, euros, whichever you want or prefer. So when you enter that, it already indicates here, so it will now be reading in dollars. So when you play it again, moves up to 98.99% in dollars. So with that done, we have it in dollars. And before we close, I promised you a bonus tip, and this will help you a lot, especially with time while doing other projects like this, and you just have to key in the preset which you'll save. So with this bonus, you just click on source text and select that, and also select the point control at the same time. Then go to animation, save animation preset. For me, I already saved it as number count. You can save it the way you want. Then after that, let's see how it looks. Just close this, then key in something random like 3000. We want to see how the effect and presets that we saved applies. So click on the 3000, go to your effects and presets panel, select number count, this one, double click on it so that it applies here. So you see, you can see automatically the text reads the way you saved it. So when you play this, just keep on counting the percentage and the content that's in whichever thing you're trying to showcase here. So click on the screen right now to learn how to use wiggle expressions, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll see you in the next.